Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can add product video in your product page. So if you want to add your promotional video or product uses video or any type of video on your product page, then you can follow the steps to the very last. So if you are you won't miss any steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify stores. Then from here you have to go to the products. Now select the products which one you want to use to add the video. So for example this one. So I'm going to use a video, add the video in this section here. So for example here you can find the meta fields here. So we are going to go to my online store here. Simply click on online store first. And here we are at the theme. Now we are going to customize it. Simply click on customize, and from here let me show you. You have to go to the product page first. So we are going to products and the default products actually. So from here you can find different types of default products here. So we are going to select a photo from here. So actually you can see we have added a video in this section, but if you want a video in your product, so just like this one for example, and if you want to add a product video here, so for you that simply here you can see the video is here that actually I have added in the video section. So if I play it, you can find the video. So here it is. So we can actually delete the video. So for now we are going to delete this video from here. So here's URL. So we are going to delete the video from here. Now save. Now let's see if it's gone or not. So here, sorry for that. Here is thumbnail, the cover photo here. So we are going to delete that cover photo also from here, or otherwise you can actually delete the whole section from here on. Sorry, let me show you the themes. I have accidentally leave from this app place here. So go to the product page. So here is the products. Now go to the default products or any products categorized that you have made. So we are going to get that. Here it is. So you have to go to the product here, and here you can get it. Now we are going to delete that. Here it is video section. We are going to delete this video section here. So now let me show you how you can add a photo from here. So first, the first option is you can just go to the products. So here it is. So we can exit from it. Now here's the products. So here you have to choose that product where you have to add the video. So here I am. So you can simply click on this plus icon, but make sure that that video that you want to add to your product page is actually available in your file manager, or you have created or downloaded it. So here you can see the product video is uploading here. So we have to wait until it uploads perfectly on our library, where media library in Shopify. So here you can see it is uploading. So we have to wait. Here you can see it is just processing. So here is the important note for you. If you don't have the premium version, or you don't have purchased this Shopify store for $1 or the exact amount of the money that it asks required for the premium version, so it might give you some hassle when you are going to add a video, or it won't actually sometimes it won't actually allow you to add video on your product. So make sure that you have got the premium version from here. Then you can add a video that actually are copyrightless, and make sure that the video is lower than 1 GB, so 1 gigabyte. So it actually, you can use 18 MB, 800 megabyte or 900 megabyte video, but make sure that it's under the 1 GB 1 GB storage actually. So you have to keep it in your mind. So here you can see I have just uploaded the video, so we can just place the video at the side here. You can place it anywhere. So if you place it at the front side, so it will be your front media, so it will be visible by everyone. So I prefer that you make it at the second or the third place, so it can actually be pretty cool. So here you can see I have just added it, and here you can see it is just saved. The order is not saved here. So let's see in our customization section, or in our online store. Let me show you. If we are on our online store preview, then go to product page and search for that product, and here it is. Now let's see if that video is uploaded or not, added or not here. So here it is. The video is here, so you can simply keep play it, or you can see that video is not uploaded and started the playing. So you can go with the video here just like this, and there's another way that you can add it. So in the description you can add the video from here. So if you want so in the description it has just added the images here. Also you can add some video if you want so here you can see I'm going to add a video. So here is the video, insert video option here, where you can insert a video. So you just need embed code. You have to embed the code here. So you just need to go through that video and you have to simply click on share, and here's the embed code. So here you can copy that embed code here. So I just copied that code here. So I'm going to paste that embed code here. So you can simply click on insert view here. So it has just added that video. So just like this, and you can actually place it here, and so just like this you can go it after that. Now you can simply click on save. Don't forget to save your description here, so it will add it to your description. So just like this, I'm going to reload it. So in the description it will show up like it's not added yet. So let me see if it's perfectly added to that on the share, that one. Here you see I have just added, but it is loading yet, and here it is. So you can see the app video is also added at the description with that images here, and you can also add some text from here if you want so. But I have just added some images so it look pretty cool here, and it has actually telling about every details about that gun here. So that's actually another type of tactic. So you can add it from here, and there's another way that you can add. So we are going to you have to simply go to the product page customization section, then you have to scroll all the way down. I'm going to scroll all the way down from here, and you have to simply press this one, and here it is. You can see the predated product. So we are going to add section here. We're going to simply click on add section. So we are going to select embed liquid, the custom liquid, or we can go with the video. So we can add a video block here. So we are going to make the order before the related for products here. So it will place at this section. So you can add the this product this video section anywhere you want. Now from here there is the video editing section where you can edit your video. So you can name the heading. So you can name the heading of this product here. So I'm going to get that product. So share copy, and I'm going to edit this section here. So simply click on it, and you can add the heading from here. It will look like this, and the heading size you can select it, the heading size from here. And loop video, you can create the loop video, so audience won't need to play it again and again. It will automatically play whenever someone reach at this place, at this block. It will automatically play that video, and it will play at a loop. It won't stop until anyone get out of this page. So here is video. You can also add some video if you want. So if you have any video downloaded, so you can select it from here. So I prefer to select a down video from your profile, or actually from your library or from your file manager, so it won't appear the YouTube logo. So it will look pretty cool here. So like this, and you can visit the link here. Sorry for that. If you can actually add that video, here it is. So you can here is URL link. So let me show you how you can actually go with the URL. So you can simply click on share, and here is the URL, or you can simply copy the link, and I'm going to paste it here. So you have to simply paste it here, and it will load that video directly from the YouTube. So here you can see it has just added. Now you can use a cover photo that can hide that video from here, and it will look properly clean on your pages here. So you can simply go with that image. There it is. So for example, I have just added a cover photo here. So it will look like pretty much this. So it will tell the audience that this video is about this product here. So you can add it, and you can add the video alt text, like I'm going to add it airsoft gun. So gun, and here it is. So we can also use this color scheme if you want. So you can select the padding and bottom here. So like this. So if we just save this here, and here you can see it is just loading. So wait until it loads properly, then you can go to that page here. So it is the preview. It's the main page here. So here you can see the video, that video actually we have added in the product media, and there is the video. So it will start a loop, that video, but it will appear that YouTube logo like this. So if you want to remove that YouTube logo, or if you don't want to show that YouTube logo, so you can simply delete that URL from here. Or you can totally add a video, like simply here is the video section. You can keep that cover image, but you can add the video here. So here is the video in our library. I have one, so you can add that video from here, and we are going to delete this from here. So the related product here, oh, sorry for that, here it is the video section where we are going to change it again. So select from library. So you're going to add the same image like this. Now add, done, and here it will be uploaded like this. Here it is. Now let's save it, and let's see if it's appeared the YouTube logo or not. So you have to wait until it loads properly. So we are on that page here. So we are going to reload it. In here you can see the video. So here you can see no YouTube logo. It's like just on the video. So you can go with that. So simply from here you can add that here, and you can add the heading here, and you can it is only for that embedded video from YouTube. You can add this, or in this video, direct hosted video, the Shopify hosted video won't appear with the these cover pages here. So from here, there's another method. So here is the last method that you can use is custom liquid. I have already added the custom liquid here, so I'm going to delete it. So let me show you the custom liquid here. So here you can see custom liquid. You can simply add the custom liquid here. So here it is. So here is the liquid code where you can add the this code from here, embed code. So you can add the code from here, and that video will be embedded like this here. The video will be attached in this section. So you have to paste that code in this section. Let me show you. We are going to copy that code here, and we're going to paste it, here, and simply save that video here. And here you can see we have saved that. So from here, if we just reload, so there's everywhere is video for this video. In this page actually there are so many videos. So I recommend you to get only one video in one page, so your page will the page speed, loading speed will be minimal, and the perfect speed you will get. But if you have added too much video with a huge with the for example the huge large file of your video, so that can be a laggy issue for you, or the page loading speed will be lost. So you can select it, and we are going to delete it from here, and file deleted here. So we are going to select it, and here we are going to simply click on it, and more action here, or here is we are going to remove that video from this description here, or we can just add it here. So we have just removed it from here, and I have just shown you all of this section, all of this method here, and here yet a last method is remaining. So for that you have to go to the settings. Now go to the custom data, and you will find meta fields. So you can add a meta field for your product where you can add your video. So I'm going to add a meta field from here. Here is the meta field definitions. So you can go to the products where you can actually add a meta field. So in all your products, so you can go with a specific product or another thing. So add the definition. We are going to add a definition like video, and here is video and custom video. The product video, we are going to now namespace and key. So product dot video this is the namespace and key. Remember this one. So we actually need this further in this video. So here's the description. You can add some description also. You can select the type where you can select it. So I'm going to select a type from here. So where it is, so we are going to type it like JSON here. So embed code. So also we can add it like a file here, or we can add it like file or JSON code here. So just like this, we are going to add the JSON code here. So from here we have just added. Now we can just save it. Now here is metadata for that product here. So we are going to add a metadata from here. Just simply click on this plus icon here, custom liquid, and we have to paste. We have to type simply that. So for that we have to first go to the products first, and here we have to go to products, and here we are in products, and we have to go to that product here, and here you can find the meta field, and here is the meta field that is actually video. So we have to embed that code here. So we are going to embed that code, so copy, and we are going to paste it here. So here you can see I have just pasted it. So format yes, just like this. There is a simple issue actually, so let me solve it. That's not JSON actually, so I'm going to discard it. So go to settings, and the system data, you can actually delete a meta field from here if you want. So more action here, so delete the definition here. So I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to create it from the very beginning. So add definition here. Again, I'm going to add the video, and the custom video or product video actually, product dot video. So first one is actually your namespace, and the second one is actually key after the dot here. Now you can add description. So we are going to add a multi-line text here. So after that you can add some categories here. You can assign some categories. You can add some validation from here. So I'm going to save it right now. Now we are going to get to the product page here again, like this, and from here we have got a video from here. So we can embed a code from here. So we just need to simply copy that code from here and paste it, and yeah, we can just save that video from here. So now the job is not done yet. You have to go to your editing section. Here it is. So reload it first, and I'm going to reload that, and let's see. So you have to add a custom liquid here. So we have already added a custom liquid. So I'm going to delete that liquid from here. So it will help us to add the metadata, this video here. So you can actually add second bracket here, then product dot meta fields, then the namespace and key that I have told you to remember that name. So that was actually product dot video. So that was in my case. Now you have to close that bracket. Now here it is. So we are going to save that here. So save it. Let's see. So it will load it, and that's not working yet. So there is a mistake here. So we have to add a double bracket here and another double bracket here. So let's see if it embedded or not. So we are going to save it. So here you can see it has just added here. So in the preview, let's see if it had added that section here or not. Here you can see it has just embedded the code here. So that's how you can also attach your metadata with your Shopify store to add a video. So that's pretty much all thing for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.